Shobha Karandlage, who is hitting out and blaming the Congress for allegedly encouraging such kind of incidents that have been taking place, and has demanded a probe and immediate arrest of all of the accused. So that has been the reaction as far as we are awaiting. But in the meantime, this has been the face-off that has been reported in Bengaluru over when Jai Shri Ram chants were apparently raised by few individuals.
ಗಲಭೆಗಳನ್ನು ಎಬ್ಬಿಸಿ ಈ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ತೊಂದರೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಚುನಾವಣೆಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಘಟನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ನಾಯಕರು ಕುಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಿನಿಂದ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಾವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಹಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು ಹೆದರಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಚುನಾವಣಾ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅನವಶ್ಯಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಬೇಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾನು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕಮಿಷನರು ಮತ್ತು DCPಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವರನ್ನು ಬಂಧನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನೂನಿನಂತೆ ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಗ್ರಹ ಇದೆ.
Right, Deepak, who are we looking at those protesters behind you? Are they part of any right-wing groups or from a political party?
Well, it's a mix, really, Mita. There are BJP workers as well, BJP leaders as well were here. There are right-wing group leaders and karyakartas. They've all come in big numbers. A group has just left. There were about 50 to 100 people who just submitted a memorandum, spoke to the inspector here and left. And now you're looking at more people who are now submitting a memorandum there to the local police here. They're demanding, like I mentioned, that while the arrest has been made, one person absconding, they want that person as well to be picked up, and all of them to be booked under stringent sections of law, which will really, set a precedent to ensure that such an incident does not occur is the demand. So, really, the pro-Hindu groups and the BJP upping the ante here. We also heard from the BJP, Shobha Karandlage, the union minister, speaking out and saying that if there is any sort of encouragement that has come in from the Congress government that has led to such an incident, the protest would only become, multifold is the, charge, or rather the threat that has come in from the union minister who's contesting, of course, from the Bengaluru North constituency where I'm right now standing at. So these protests would only at this point in time, intensify if, the police really, do not book them under stringent sections of the law is what I'm hearing. More and more people continue to come in, and considering the fact that protests are not allowed anywhere other than Freedom Park in Bengaluru, you're looking at the police, of course, trying to maintain a law and order and ensure that everything is managed in a very,